Today I'm in Älmhult and I'm going to be staying at the world's only Ikea hotel. Initially there were just 25 rooms, but since then it's expanded and there's now over 250 rooms. Not only does the original Ikea store remain, but there's also a couple of restaurants, a museum, and I think a gift shop as well. Okay, I am a bit early, so I'm going to see if I can check in. Let's go. And I think now it's time for the room tour. Okay, I have booked just a standard room. They have a couple of different options, but this is just a typical room you will get. And it's a pretty good size, to be honest. I'll do the bed test shortly. But yeah, you've got the bed, a nice seating area, desk, which is always handy. You don't always get that these days. And actually a really nice view. Over in the distance is the Ikea Museum, and I actually get a free entry into that, so I'm going to check that out shortly. Bathroom is actually a pretty good size as well, very clean. Okay, I'm going to do a bed test now. I'm just going to sit on it because I've got my shoes on. It's soft, it's nice. The proof will be in the pudding to see how well I sleep. That's the key. As expected, all of the furniture is obviously Ikea branded, and I think it's actually quite a good marketing technique. Chances are, if you stay here and like something, you are probably going to buy it. I also found out that this hotel has quite a lot of other amenities, including a gym, sauna, conference rooms, a place to do your own laundry, and I think even a bike rental, which is insane just for this little complex seemingly in the middle of nowhere. Anyway, time's ticking, so I'm going to explore a bit more of this complex. This hotel has a couple of restaurant options. One is called Grillin and the other is the Lobby Bar. And I think I'm going to go to Grillin for some lunch. Let's go. Not gonna lie, it was a bit awkward to film in there, but it was really nice. I went for the fish. It was the catch of the day. I have no idea what fish it was. I'm pretty sure I've never tried it before, but it was really, really nice. And the total came to 100 SEK, which I don't know what it is in pounds, but I'll put that on the screen. Anyway, let's go to the museum. Okay, I'm back from the museum. They had Ikea through the ages, lots of different staged areas like you would find in an Ikea shop, and loads of the old style catalogues, which I thought were really cool to look at. Then I made it to the gift shop and there was actually quite a lot of choice there. I may have picked up the odd thing here and there. I think I mentioned previously that entry was free because I'm staying at the hotel, but you can pay for entry if you want to, and I think it was 60 Swedish krona. Anyway, it's been quite a few hours since I had lunch at the Grillin restaurant, so now I'm going to go down for dinner. This time I'm going to try the Lobby Bar, and no, I'm not getting meatballs because you can get that at any Ikea store. I'm going to pick something different. Just have a quick look at the menu whilst I wait here. This burger is so good. It's literally cooked perfectly for me. I don't like it too red inside, and it's perfectly done. So juicy. And I think it was 195 Swedish krona, which I think is about £15. For a meal, that's actually quite a good price, especially for Sweden. This is really nice. I have been beaten. I am so full, but that was so nice. And just on another side note, I can't believe how quiet this place is. I don't know if it's the time of year or if there's a public holiday or something, but it's so quiet. There's literally no one in this dining room. It's only me in here right now. Not that I'm complaining or anything. Hopefully that means I will get a very good night's sleep. It won't be too noisy, things like that. But yeah, I'm just really surprised it's not as busy. This hotel honestly feels abandoned or something, because there is not a single soul in sight. I have never been in a hotel when it's this quiet. What? Okay, I've made it back to the room and I think it's time for bed. See you in the morning. Good morning. I slept really well last night and I actually might buy an Ikea bed. It was so comfy. Anyway, it's a lovely crisp morning here in Sweden. It's actually 9 degrees. So yeah, very crisp. And they actually have these windows that they fully open. So that's quite a nice touch. You wouldn't ever get that in the UK, would you? But I think breakfast has just started and it's actually included if you're staying here. So let's go and see what that's like. Might be sunny out, but you're coming with me. Okay, just finished up in breakfast and popped outside for a bit of fresh air. Food was really good. They had so many options in there. A few unusual things that I've not really seen at a breakfast buffet before, but you know, that's what you get in different parts of the world, and I think it's quite interesting to see. I also quite like the vibe in there. There's lots of different seating options, just like other areas of the hotel, so they have actually thought about where people want to sit. But yeah, overall, really impressed with that breakfast, and the fact that it's free is pretty good as well. Well, included in your stay at least. Anyway, checkout isn't until 12, I think, but I do have a train to catch, so I'm going to go and pack up some of my stuff and just hang out here. The train station is about a 2-minute walk from here, so I'm going to leave kind of late, just to make the most of it, really. I've just noticed they have the train schedules in here, which is actually very handy for me as I'm getting the train to Copenhagen from here. So at least I can check my train schedule before I go. Okay, there we go. I've just checked out and overall I had a really good time here. Everyone is super friendly. I love the layout and the design. It's actually had thought put into it, which is so nice. I really like how they try to preserve some of the history, like having the old roof around the reception area. That was a really nice touch. The fact that breakfast and entry into the museum is included in your room rate is also a really cool idea because it makes the whole thing an experience. So in terms of what I paid for one night here, I paid 1,030 Swedish crowns. Don't worry, not pounds. I think that works out to just over £80 for the one night. And considering it's Sweden, I think that is a pretty good deal, especially for what you get included. So yeah, that was my stay at the Ikea Hotel, the only one in the world, and shockingly it was so quiet. I had a fantastic night's sleep and I would rate this very highly.